Greetings YouTube, Tall Farm Boy here, trying to share some more helpful tips to keep your chainsaws running right. What I'm working on today is a Stihl MS290. Like, these are super popular chainsaws. One drawback to them is that they have limited carburetors. Every carburetor that they install on these things have these little red plastic limiter caps that limit the amount of travel that each of the screws have, the high screw and the low screw, on the adjustment for the carburetor. The easiest thing for you guys to do is to remove these little plastic caps, but if you don't know how to do it, it might be a little bit of a daunting task. So I'm going to share with you what I do. I take a sheet metal screw that is sharp, just like this, and what you're going to do is you're going to thread it directly into that plastic insert. And the way that these work, you'll see I got it started in there. I'm going to take my screwdriver and I'm going to start threading it down into the plastic while working around the camera here. And what it's going to do is pull that limiter cap. As I twist it down, you'll notice that limiter cap and all of the stuff around it is popping up and off of there. Now once we got it there, you'll notice that limiter has officially been removed, and you can see the actual adjustment screw in there for the high side of the carburetor right now. That will allow you to tune it properly. Now what I usually do on these saws is I go ahead and take this sheet metal screw back out here, and honestly there is really no reason to keep this little plastic tab on here. So I usually throw this in the trash, but the part that gives you the headache here, if you wanted to be official with your saw, you could take a razor blade knife and trim that tab off that I hope you can see in that picture. Trim that tab off and reinstall it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take both of these red plastic limiters out. I might be able to grab this one with a pair of needle nose. Now, there we go. So now we have two screws inside of the carburetor that are 100% adjustable. This saw was screaming lean on the high side. It wouldn't cut excellent in the cut. It would really kind of bog down a little bit in the cut, and being able to add some more fuel onto the high side of this one is really going to help it out. So I'm going to go ahead and tap this little thing back in there to kind of help guide my screwdriver back in, but we're ready to go put this back on the saw and tune it. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps you.